How to turn on Safe Search in Google Chrome. So I'm on an iOS device. It may be a little bit different on your Android, but the settings are the same. You'll be able to find it. So on your iPhone, go ahead to Google Chrome, and you want to find the three dots at the bottom right-hand corner here. And you want to swipe over until you see Settings. And from here, what you want to go do is scroll down until you see Privacy and Security. And you want to go to where it says Safe Browsing. So right now it's set to no protection. You want to have standard protection, or if you really want to have, you can go ahead and choose enhanced protection, which uses AI power to protect you from certain sites. So after you choose which one you want, you go ahead and hit done. And what you can do is go ahead and hit those three dots again, go back into settings, and go back to privacy and security, and go ahead and toggle on where it says always use secure connections. This is just another layer of privacy and security for Google Chrome and for your phone's health as well. And that's it. That's how you would go about turning on Safe Search in your Google Chrome.